Hi guys, and welcome to Techie Tips. This is just a quick tutorial to go through some problem resolving techniques for when you can't connect to your Wi-Fi. So unless you're using a dongle, this is mainly for laptops. But there's a few things which we can check and a few commands which we can run to try and resolve our internet Wi-Fi connection problems. So if we come down to the bottom right hand corner of the screen, you can see our Wi-Fi symbol here. Mine's connected at the moment. If we click on it, you can see I'm connected to Sky. But if you've got problems connecting, that will say disconnected. And there can be a number of reasons for this. One of the reasons is that you may have entered the password wrong, or the password may have changed. So the best way to input the password again is to right click on your mouse and click on forget. Now what that will do, that will forget the Sky connection that you've got connected at the moment, or whatever broadband provider you've got. And then when you click on the connection again, it will come up with a password box here. So you just simply enter your Wi-Fi password, and then hopefully you'll be able to connect. The other thing that we need to talk about here is down the bottom here. You can see we're connected to Wi-Fi, but the space next to it is aeroplane mode. Now sometimes you may have done it accidentally, or somebody may be trying to play a trick on you, but this aeroplane mode will be activated, and that will show up as blue, like the Wi-Fi one. I'm not going to click on it because I'll lose my internet connection, but if that's blue, then you simply click on it again to make it grey, and then connect to your Wi-Fi here. So that's one other thing that we can check. Now there are a number of other things that we can check, and we do this from the control panel. So if we go to our control panel, which we can see here, and we go to internet options, not indexing options, sorry, internet options, bear with me, which is this one. And then what we can see is we can go to advanced, and we can restore advanced settings, which is this button here. And what that does, there may have been something from a Windows update or something that's changed your internet settings. So if you just click on restore advanced settings, when that's finished, click on apply, and then see if you can connect to the Wi-Fi again. Now the other thing that we can check is we can go to Network Sharing Center, and we can see that we've got our internet connection here. As you can see, mine's connected to the Sky Wi-Fi, but we need to go to change adapter settings to see if this is enabled. So if you click on change adapter settings, now here you can see that we've got Wi-Fi. Now if you're not able to connect to the Wi-Fi, this may be disabled, and you simply right click and that will say enable. It's saying disable now because mine is actually enabled, but if that's in disable mode, you just click on enable, and that should bring your Wi-Fi connection back. Okay, so the other thing we can do is there are a few commands that we can run. So if we go to the search button down here in the bottom left hand corner, and we type in run, and then we type in dev mgmt.msc like it's showing here, and click OK. That takes us into Device Manager. Now what we need to do is go to the network adapters here, and you can see that we've got the wireless Intel dual band wireless driver. So what we want to do is we can click on that, we can go to Properties, and then we can go to Driver, and we can do Update Driver. And what that will do is, if we click on it now, you can browse your computer for a driver that may be on your PC. If you haven't got any drivers on your PC, if you go to Google and search for dual band wireless AC7265, as that's the driver that we need, download it, put it on your desktop or whatever, and then you can browse here and then install the drivers, or you can just connect with an Ethernet cable and then you can look for the Wi-Fi drivers by searching here. So mine is saying that the best drivers for your device are already installed. Okay, so that's just another way that we can check that our if our Wi-Fi is working or not. The other thing that we can do is, if we go to the command prompt, so we type in run, type in command prompt, and then we can type in this command. It's net sh win sock reset. Now I'm not going to press enter because this will reset my my internet connection and the Windows socket connection, so I don't want to do that. But if you just type in that command and then hit enter, then that will reset the Windows sockets, and you can try again then if you can get on to the internet. Another command is net sh winsock reset catalog, hit enter, and then try and see if you can get onto the Wi-Fi settings again. And then one final one which we can try, which is net sh int ip reset log.txt, and what this will do, this will clear all the logs down, and we can try and connect to the internet again. So there's a few options which I've showed you there. Hopefully one of those will be able to resolve your internet connectivity issues. Bear with me whilst I just get this get my screen up. So yeah, so if you try any of those options, you should be able to successfully connect to your Wi-Fi. The other option that you can do, if everything that I've just showed you fails, then what I would recommend is that you actually power reset your router. So you just pull the power plug out the back of your router, your broadband router, leave it off for 60 seconds, plug it back in, let it fire up. It normally takes 3 or 4 minutes to fire up again, and then try connecting again. Obviously after you've restarted your router, I would suggest restarting your device, which is obviously this option here, restart, and then try and connect to the Wi-Fi again, and you should be good to go. So I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Give it a try. I'm pretty sure that one of those things will sort you out, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. If you did like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more techie tips and hit the like button. Okay, I'll see you soon.